how to transfer money from Cash App to bank. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Cash App account. After that, open up your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner. Then scroll down, and over here you would be able to find the option of linked banks. Simply select it. Then here you get the option of link debit card. Simply click on it. If you have the debit card of your bank, simply provide the details and link your card. This way, whenever you will try to cash out from your Cash App, you would be getting money in that particular debit card which is linked to your bank account. In case if you don't have the debit card information, then it is completely fine. You can just simply click on this option of no card, and after that wait for it to load. After that, click on continue, and here you can see a good amount of banks out there. You can simply search for your institution by clicking on this option of search, and after selecting your bank, you would be able to connect it with Cash App. And now whenever you will try to cash out from Cash App, the money will go directly into your bank account. All you have to do is just select any particular bank. Suppose I select Citibank. After that, it will ask me to log into Citibank's account using my Citibank's credentials, and this way I will be able to connect my Citibank account with Cash App. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.